sorry, something happened in the last video. It was the same thing about these, and it just broke out when I said, it just cut out when I said a clutch fit thing. See it, you guys can see it. Can you read it? It says clutch fit. It's just Under Armour somewhere. I just can't find it. I don't know. Here, you can tell. I have proof of purchase. I have the receipt. There. Bought them. Pretty nice. $55. These are some really cheap cleats. And these are good too. You know how... Wait, let me go get something. Bleep. Technical difficulties. Sorry. Well, anyway, I have a Nike Alpha. It's really bad. Like when you put it on your feet, when you wear it for like practice and stuff, it really hurts your foot. There's no padding whatsoever in it. And though they are brand new, they were new last year and they just don't have any padding. I could feel where the spikes were on the plate. Really bad. Really, really bad. But since I got Under Armour ones, which is the best brand, well, the most popular brand, for, just to show you that they are highlights. Can you read that? Under Armour highlight. Pretty cool cleat. I will review it in the next episode. Wait, no. I'm going to make some on, I have some wristbands. Not going to make an unboxing on those. But I do have some sleeves. They work pretty well, but sorry I'm not looking straight. But I'm just looking, trying to kind of at the screen. Right there. Ha 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 ha.